Hello everyone, and I'm coming at you from Knott's Berry Farm in Boynton Park, California.
We are going to ride MonteZOOma finally.
Yeah.
After so long.
After closure of
open.
1,600 something days, it's finally the day that I shall get to ride
1,642. Or 62.
Yeah, that I shall get to ride this coaster.
1,000.
I'd say it's California's most elusive credit because if you come here, you're expecting it, but it's like still testing and not actually open. After like months of mechanical delays, this really wasn't like great for the park. I didn't like having to wait like 2 years to ride this, but I guess I'm finally getting to ride this today, and we're gonna get on it right now. It won't be too crowded today, hopefully. It looks like it'll be a great day. The park's open till 8, and I'll get on it. You're joking, bro. Yeah.
I think if it's like one at a time.
At this time, please make sure you're standing behind the brown line. Make sure you're standing behind the brown line, please. Thank you.
It's coming. It's like coming. I remember the story. Yeah, that's the same. Yeah. Here we go, in the back. Station. Ready? Oh, it stopped pretty far forward.
Yeah.
That was good.
Okay, so we just got off MonteZOOma, my 103rd credit. Same with him. That is really fun. The restraints are not bad at all. Do not stress about that. The ride is smooth overall, although it is extremely loud in person. And my dad says it's a new credit besides MonteZOOma. I think that too. It doesn't really feel like a Schwarzkopf anymore. So next, I don't know.
The only thing that
We're
feels
gonna
like
cool down.
Schwarzkopf is the loop.
Yeah, that's a pretty dang intense loop, and I just like that overall. It's so good.
Yeah, that's a really good loop.
fourth-
Especially backwards.
Yeah, the fourth best coaster in the park. It will rank somewhere in my 20s or 30s. It's not as good as the Batman clones, but I'd rank it around that. So, what do you think of it?
I loved the mouth effect. It talks to you and goes like, "Go the butcher," and then it launches you with steam.
Yeah, so the near misses weren't as good as expected, but everything else exceeded expectations. That's a really dang good ride.
That's over here. Good.
Glorious.
Good, that was fun.
And that is why that is my second favorite coaster.
It's not working.
What the heck?
It's not working. I don't know if we're gonna need them today anyway.
Yeah, we won't.
You think?
But that
Should we
was
just
the
print the one?
craziest ride ever. I got 4 inches of room. It was running insane. I don't know how that could have been better. Besides the fact if I was sitting on the opposite side of the train, which I was. But the ride cannot control that. So for that reason, I give that ride an 100%. And that is rising on my rankings. It's going to be almost to the level of Iron Rattler now. So if I get like one more of those rides on it today, it might be my number 1, which is crazy. But anyways, that was an awesome ride. I got so much room. A quick accelerator update. So the train is in the station. There, I know, is no second train on the track. And nothing is happening. There's nobody in the station. Besides that, we just got off Timber Mountain. It actually spots me pretty good right here. And it was pretty fun. That's definitely the best log flume in America. Probably the whole world, but maybe not. I know there's like one in Germany at like Phantasiana or
No, I'm not talking
at
to you.
Phantasialand or something. And either ways, it's still a great log ride. So next up, we're gonna do MonteZOOma again. This time we'll get a front row ride. Last time I got a back row. And I wonder if this will be better or worse.
Let's go.
What the heck? It's like broken or something. There's riders on it, so it's obviously broken. Wait, oh. Or no, it usually goes faster. Yeah, it's definitely broken. There are people on this and it's getting rolled back out the same train. It's stopping. Okay, now it's going back in. I don't know. Yeah, they're sending a test run. They gave the all clear, so it should happen any second. Okay. Yeah, it made it through the course, so maybe it'll reopen now. Okay, just got off. Wait, what's it? I just got off Pony Express. That was a really fun ride. It actually has some decent laterals in the front, and
Definitely a fun ride. Like,
yeah,
I've never ridden it in the front.
yeah, you have. But anyway, yeah, it's a really I wouldn't say good. It's like fine, but I hadn't ridden it in a long time, so that's why I rode it. And it's decent. It's a good-ish family coaster. Probably number 7 now at Knott. So next up, we are going to do Hang Time. And also, here's a tour of the new restaurant. It's called Crafty's. So it's basically the same as the old Johnny Rockets. None of the items on the menu yet actually are on the meal pass, so you can't get it from here for free with the pass yet. I assume they'll add it later on though. And I think, yeah. So, Yeah, that's the restaurant. I'd say it's pretty spacious here. So yeah. Next up, we're doing hang time. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Best part! Woo!
Oh my gosh.
That's my new favorite ride on hang time.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Just got off hang time. Shout out to that enthusiast op. That was amazing. I got insane airtime room. That was like 2 inches, plus amazing airtime off the first drop. Easily the strongest airtime I've gotten today. Hang time has 2 really underrated airtime moments in the first drop and that crazy ejector speed hill before the cobra roll. So it was great. And unfortunately, the love bar does come down further on you during the ride. So that means that the other better airtime hill in the later half of the ride didn't deliver as much, but the drop was still great. Again, shout out to that op. And next up, we're gonna do Ghost Rider again. The first time I rode it, I had a great time on it. Hopefully I get an even better ride on it because that might be my number 1 if this ride's even better than what it was before. I think I just go up my favorite ride on Ghost Rider and flash back to earlier today. I give that ride an 100%, and that is rising on my rankings. I also got my favorite ride on Ghost Rider. So for that reason, Ghost Rider is my number 1 coaster. Both of those rides, nothing could have been improved. And I just love that ride. It's my new favorite. And yeah, I got so much ejector throughout the layout. Like basically at every moment, and it's so good. And next up, we're doing Silver Bullet. I'll see you after the ride. That was a great ride on Silver Bullet. The helix at the end is too much. Like, the positives are crazy. That's the strongest positive moment in this whole park. And I think this ride would be better with that helix being about 1 second shorter. Because, like, it starts to get uncomfortable. Like, once you feel that much positives for more than 3 seconds. But anyways, that was a great ride. Everything's running great today. And next up is MonteZOOma for my 3rd ride on it. Probably a back row ride.
Once again, guys, seatbelt first, seatbelt first, seatbelt first, seatbelt first.
Favorite ride on this. Okay, just rode Searside Winder, the Mock Rides family spinning coaster. That was really good. I say this for every coaster, every ride, but that was running great. That is my favorite ride on it. Today, wait, let's see. I've got my favorite ride on MonteZOOma since I just rode it. Ghost Rider. Yeah, I'd say I also got my favorite ride on Hang Time. Also got it on Silver Bullet. Same with your Sidewinder. And also Pony Express, my favorite. So every single coaster we've rode today, I got my favorite ride on. So that's ridiculous, which is why this might be my favorite ever visit to Knott's, and I had a great time today. But that is where this vlog is gonna end. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you made it this far And liking and subscribing. It really helps me out, and I would really appreciate it. With that, have a good day, and thank you for watching.